Alright guys, welcome to the deck. I have the 6x6 out here, which is where I put most of my stuff on, so I figured I'd just make a video real quick to show you how it all came together. Got the motor mounted, the screwed into the plate. Go see the motor video. I just had to Dremel it out. I was going to put the speed controller wires directly to it, but it wouldn't reach over here. Would have barely reached over here, so I ended up just soldering on some 12 gauge wire extensions, I guess. And then I put the dual motor outputs I just soldered the two wires to the one wire because there's no need for dual motor outputs. I'm only having one. The yellow wires go to the positive, the blue wires go to the negative. I just stuck it down with some double-sided foam tape. The speed controller and the high voltage BEC actually. And both of the positive and negative leads off the speed controller and the BEC are soldered together, and then they're soldered onto the same 12 gauge wire, which is connected to an XT60, just because that's what I like using. This little switch for the speed controller is just screwed on the battery vent cover. It's nice, easy to sneak in here, turn it on and off. I just use the little M2 screws to screw it to the cover. They're just self-tapping. Then the servo is screwed in, and it just connects directly to the high voltage BEC. I just soldered the red to the positive, the brown to the negative, and then the signal wire goes over to the receiver, and it works fine as long as there's a common ground in the system, which there is. This servo is screwed in just fine. There's still a little bit of a gap here. This is one of the BMS servos I made a video on. It screws in just fine as well. The lead on it is actually kind of short. It's only maybe 6 inches. So if you had it over here, you might need to use an extension, but that's not too big of a deal. What else? That's mostly it. The two servos, the BEC, speed controller. I have everything going to a Hawkeye receiver, which runs on open LRSing because I plan on FPVing this eventually, but that'll likely be a different video. So just stay tuned for that, I guess. And yeah, hopefully I'll make a video of it running soon and you can see all this stuff in action.